how to make money on people per hour as a social media influencer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So to get started first, I'm going to explain the platform for you. So guys, people per hour is a platform where freelancers with some certain skills can list their skills in here and enter their prices, and business owners or individuals that are looking for someone to do those skills for them are going to come here and search for those freelancers or those contractors. So here, for example, let's say you're a social media marketer or a social media influencer. So here let's go with digital marketing and let's look for this one, influencer marketing. So here, this is our freelancers, as you can see, the contractors and the freelancers that are doing those skills. So for anyone who's looking for an influencer marketer, he will just come here and he will hire one from here, pay his hourly rate and all of that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can be like one of these freelancers and list your skill in here. So let's go back to the main page and here click on the freelancer button in your top right. Then make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email and here fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to log in with my email and my password as well. And then log in. And here you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's click on apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture. You can drop a personal picture or you can just drop a logo or some picture that you want, and then you proceed to the job title. So for example, you can enter award-winning web developer, or you can just go with social media influencer, and then here you enter your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So let's start with social media. And here, let's look, not this one. Let's look for social media influencer. Let's choose social media marketing first. Social media marketing, and here let's enter influencer marketing. And then let's see if we can find something else related to influencer. So no matches found. So that's all we have about influencers. So let's go with marketing. And here let's go with digital marketing. Let's go with content marketing and Instagram marketing as well. Instagram marketing, and the last one is Facebook marketing, which is this one, and that's it. Then for the description, as you can see, describe yourself to buyers in order to enter a decent description or in order to get inspiration for how the description should be, how we're going to enter our information, how we're going to organize it. I will show you the method that I use, which is spying all my competitors. So here I will go to influencer marketing, open it in a new tab, and here I'm going to see all of my competitors, as you can see, and I'm going to check their descriptions. So for example, I'm going to start with this one. So here I'm going to read her description, read more. Pressportal.org, I ranked #1 on PeoplePerHour. We guarantee placements on top tier publications, sponsored PR and premium press releases, distribution services. Our signature, highest quality at unbeatable rates, delivering impactful stories that shine. Let's craft your success story together. So as you can see, it's very small. It's a very small description. We will need something more with more information. So let's check the other descriptions. So let's check, for example, this one. And here, let's see, what do we have? I have more than 5 years of experience in guest posting, guest blogging, outreach expert, search engine optimization, SEO, search engine marketing, and link building. I have good knowledge and skills in guest posting, white hat, SEO, link building, etc. I have worked with high quality websites from around the world, also with individual clients from USA, UK, Singapore, Norway, and Argentina. You always feel good with my web services. I am here to help you in your business using my knowledge, and I will glad to work with you. So this is a medium description. I will not say it's very good, but it's medium. And here, even though there is some language mistakes like this one, I will glad to work with you. I will be glad to work with you, but that's okay. We get the idea. And as you can see, he gets also his hourly rate is very high. So I think he does a good job. So I think this is enough for inspiration. Now you know how the description is, how you can write or how you can enter a good description for your profile. And after you're done with the description, you enter your location, and then you proceed to enter the languages that you can speak. So for example, English, Arabic, French, or whatever you can speak. Then you can enter your hourly rate, and after that you submit your application. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.